How's it going, everyone? So welcome back to another episode of UPbuild. So as you can see, we're back on the Mini, which is great. We're really pleased about that. So we've had a bit of a break. A lot of people I know have missed it, but so we're gonna keep our distance and we're gonna crack on and do a bit work on it. So we've got a bit which my dad's got a hold of there.
This bit here came out the old floor of the boot, out the boot. And what we're going to do is there's a good solid bit in it, which is a bit perforated on the old bit that's in the car now. We're going to cut out of this bit here and fit it in, which is solid.
So we'll get on with that bit. We're going to fit that bit in, and we've got a few other bits where we left off from on the last episode that you've seen on the Mini. So there we go. Anyway, exciting. So we're back on with it again. So hope you enjoyed the episode. We'll crack on. We'll put a new bracing plate on there for the subframe or spreader plate, and then there's a little patch on this opposite side in the same place there. So we'll go ahead and get this bit tidied up now. Great, so that's a bit of paint on there, a little bit of linishing back to do, which I'll have welded in the back of here, so that'll clean up. A little bit of paint, obviously what's clean back to bare metal, but just preserved with a bit of etch primer on. And now we'll do the inside. There we go. It's that spreader plate back on. That's just the old quarter panel, which is going to be cut off and cut out. It's that one side done, so that's them both done. I'm back now. See, that's that quarter panel which is going to get cut off and replaced. There we go, that's that bit cleaned up. So just only need like a little strip through here, which is nice and solid. Handy we've got the right profile and that piece for where the spare wheel goes. So we'll cut the bit out that we need. Start welding that bit in. So there we go, so that's kind of what we started with. And all I've done is trimmed out this piece, which I'm going to use in the boot. I'll show you that. So in here, get you inside. So you can see we'll have a little bit of rot in that corner of the boot. So I'm going to use that piece that I cut. And it'll weld in there. So I'll probably spin the car over, and I think I'll work from the bottom because it's going to be a bit easier because it's quite difficult to work from this side. As you can see, so we've got the rotisserie jig on. So I'll spin the car over and I'll cut that out from the bottom and then weld that new little piece of wood flooring. it's always quite good using as much as you can of the original metal, because the quality of the metal when the car was made would have been better than it is of parts that you can buy now. And it's just using what I can, isn't it? Using the parts that are that I've got, which are, don't like to waste anything. So that's great. So I'll crack on, I'll get that spun over and then get that piece welded in. So we'll crack on with that now. There we go, so that's that little area tidied up in the boot. Right then, so I'm just going to work on the top of the door frame again, and I'm just going to show you on this side what I'm doing. So this is the passenger side, which is the door frame, which we haven't lowered down yet, so we're working on the far side. But I'm just having to recreate this lip, which is where the rubber goes on, the door rubber goes on, to create the door seal. So with lowering the other side down, which I'll show you in a second, which you've seen in the previous episodes, it's obviously covered up this little lip, so I need to create that lip again on the other side for the door rubber to go on. So I'll show you that. You can see on this side, I've dropped this door down here. The lip obviously runs up at the back of that now, so I just need to run a piece in here. I'll chop this off about here and run a fresh piece of metal, a new piece of metal along there to meet up with this side, so we can create that area for the door seal to go back on, just around there. I can show you in the back, that's the original bit where the door seal would have gone on, but obviously with bringing the door down we just need to extend that, and then we'll be able to weld that all up. So that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do now. So we'll crack on with that. I'll trim all that out and then just transfer that onto a sheet of metal. Right then, there we go. So we've got the car upside down. So I've cleaned everywhere for welding. There's our piece there, so that'll just drop in there. Like that. And then I can get a beader weld along in that corner. Nice and neat. This needs just trimming off, or just lurnishing back a little bit just once I've got it on here nice and solid. And I've just sliced through either side so I can knock it flush and get a weld. And the same in the back. I'll show you the back. There we go. It looks a bit tatty at the minute, but you can see that'll grind back a little. I've got my line on the outside, which I'll just grind that back too.
thanks for watching. That's it for this one. Thumbs up.
So if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and really appreciate the views. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and we've got lots more happening. But in the next one, we've got some new parts to put on. But yeah, that's it for this one, so we'll hopefully see you on the next one.